Alright, so good day ho sa lahat. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or ano ba, anong oras mo pinapanood itong video na to. I'm just gonna be straightforward and be direct to the point. The purpose of this video is to share our new comp plan. Okay, so let's just go to direct to the point and go to the purpose of this video. So, okay, so company profile, let's skip this part. And let's go ahead and, ayan. So ito na ho yung mga business packages natin. We have reseller and retailer, same as before. Hub or municipal distributor, regional stockies. Okay? So ano yung first package natin? We have our starter. So the price for the starter starts at 1,000. Hindi starts at, sorry. So it's 1,000. What's included? Yan ho, 10 pieces of My Moringa worth 1,300. Yung My Moringa green. Okay? And what's included? We also have our 24/7 web page account. Also up to 40% lifetime discount of all of the products that we have here. Marketing tools, because we're going to be supporting the marketing tools, and also 6 ways to earn. Second is that we have advance. Okay, advance set A. So may dalawang set yan, set A at saka set B. So set A, that's 1,500 only. Ano yung inclusion? So na makikita nyo dyan, 6 pieces of My Moringa gel, 1 pouch of insulin coffee, 1 pouch of sex enhancer coffee worth 1,820. Okay, so same. Who's a starter? We have 24/7 webpage account, 40% lifetime discount of products and marketing tools, and 6 ways to earn. Set B, ito yung set B. 6 pieces of My Moringa gel, 1 bottle of sodium ascorbate, 1 pouch of insulin coffee worth 1,850. 24/7 webpage account, same din ho sa starter, advanced, and even sa premium natin may dalawang set din ho tayo, set A and set B. So you have an option. Okay? So ano ho yung inclusion sa 3,000 only? And you will have, like a premium advantage. 15 pieces of My Moringa, 1 bottle of Icor herbs, 1 bottle of sodium ascorbate, 1 bottle of magnesium eye drops, 1 pouch of insulin coffee. So mga details ng mga products na yan will be explained separately sa ibang video. Okay, 24/7 webpage account, 40% lifetime discount of products, marketing tools, and 6 ways to earn. Yan. So set B, okay, 15 pieces of My Moringa, 1 bottle of Icor herbs, 1 bottle of sodium ascorbate, 1 bottle of magnesium eye drops, 1 pouch of sex enhancer coffee mix, and same din ho. Okay, so yun ho yung set A at saka set B ng ating premium. Okay, so let's go to our comp plan. Alright, so makikita nyo dyan sa screen ngayon, no? So you have SRP, yun ho yung suggested retail price. I cannot go to the products one by one for the sake of time. And then yung members price natin, ayan ho, sa next na, na row or next column or row. Ayan, so yung profit naman nandyan and tsaka point value per product. Okay, you can just screenshot this for your reference, okay? Next is that referral bonus. So once any kung ma-starter ka man, advanced ka man, or premium man, okay, so once you are encoded in the system, so sa lahat ko ng mga direct referral nyo, if someone wants to join, then automatically you get these 3 referral bonuses. So magkaiba ko yung sa starter, advanced, and premium. Okay, next is that monthly cash incentives. So on top dun sa referral natin, once you have like a direct referral, 10 direct referral per month, okay? Regardless if it's end of the month, if it's earlier, so anything, as long as makakahit tayo ng direct referral. The question is, anong klaseng direct referral? Regardless if it's starter, advanced, or premium. As long as 10 direct referral, 10 wants to join and makakilala nyo na wants to avail the discount automatically. If you get 10, you have 10% incentive, 10% doon. Yeah, ayan yung computation. We just use the starter one, okay? For example, ayan ho, just move my mouse here. Yung total entry mo, or total entry is 10,000. So basically, that's 10 na tagwa 1,000, no? 10 starter, okay? 10 dyan, and then you get the incentive of 10%. So basically, you have additional 1,000. On top doon on top doon sa sa referral bonus, di ba? Alright, this is just a sample. Yung ano natin, yung incentives natin is just 4 days. Si Ma'am Fred. 4 days lang yan so we just started, recently, and then just after 4 days, meron ho tayo actual income. Okay, rebates. Napakasimple lang ko ng explanation dun sa draft. First level mo, which means your own personal rebates, if you purchase product value is 200, okay? Automatically may 15% ka and rebates is 30 there, okay? So hope ayan just to clarify here, we have a maintenance worth of 200 point value. So magdepende ho yan kung saan, 'di ba? If you look at the product list or product pricing, okay, you can see the PV there. So if you add it at all, as long as aabot siya 200, then that's, our monthly maintenance. So on and so forth. So yung first na level ng lahat ng mga nag-join, lahat ng mga referral mo, automatically you get 25%. And then second level is, ayan, so on and so forth. So, ayan. Leadership bonus. Ano ko yung leadership bonus? Napakasimple lang ho. Any income ho ng direct sponsor nyo, yung level 1 sponsor nyo. Clear? Again, ulitin ko ho. Any direct referral ninyo, total income ng dashboard nila, automatically aakyat yan sa'yo. Okay? You get, if you are starter, okay, if your account is starter, you get 6% incentives of your direct sponsor. If you are advanced, you'll enjoy the 8% incentive. And then if you're premium, that's a total of 10%. So this is a good example, itong illustration na to. So if example, this is a premium, yung direct sponsor niya ay nagka-income ng 1 million, then automatically since premium siya, meron siyang 10%, then 100,000. Dito naman sa kabila, it's 500, 500,000 example. Yung direct referral niya, yung direct sponsor, and automatically ikaw na account owner, meron kang 50,000 because you get 10% of the incentives. I hope that's clear. Okay, leveling reward, mahirap siya i-explain through slides, no, kasi kailangan ho siya talaga ng actual illustration. But to give you an overview, leveling reward, it's like a separate system. Separate separate system. Pero connected naman yung lahat. So this is additional, additional income. Ika-6 na income. For example, this is a power of 10. If you have like a 10 referrals and that 10 referrals refer to 10, pagka level 3 niyan, di ba? If that makes sense, sa pangatlong referral niyan, you get a total of 1,000. It's not your own effort, it's the effort of everyone. Automatically, meron kang incentives na laptop. And then, so on and so forth, motorcycle and car incentives sa level 5. Okay? So, ang kagandahan nung nito, like for example, di ba 10 lang yung team, kasi may dynamic compression kasi siya eh. Okay? For example, you have like 10 directs. Okay? And then, yung 10 directs mo, sumobra ka ng, let's say, kasi sobra mong sobra mong, tawag dito, sobra mong galing sa in terms of direct referral, di ba? If a lot of people would trust you and then join the team, your team, then lumampas siya ng 10. For example, umabot siya ng 20. So yung sobrang 10, automatically may spill over yan dito sa baba. Yan, maibibigay na yan sa first level mo. So to cut the story short, it's like a help system that mas madaling ikumpleto yung ating leveling rewards. So yun ho yung kagandahan ng system natin. So if you have questions, feel free to talk to us, send us a message, and we're more than happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you and have a good day.